Samsung's One UI 9 update marks a major step forward in the company's software evolution, building on Android 17 with a stronger focus on intelligence, smooth performance, and deeper personalization. The update is expected to introduce a more refined and fluid interface with improved animations, enhanced privacy controls, and smarter system optimization for better battery efficiency and multitasking. A key highlight of One UI 9 is deeper AI integration across the system, bringing more context-aware features to apps like Samsung Internet, Gallery, and Messages, along with improved voice assistance and productivity tools. Visual enhancements are also anticipated, including refreshed icons, cleaner quick settings, and expanded lock screen and home screen customization options. Designed to work seamlessly across the Galaxy ecosystem, from phones to tablets and foldables, One UI 9 aims to deliver a faster, smarter, and more cohesive user experience, continuing Samsung's push toward a more intelligent and connected software platform.